Hey guys, it's your boy Twadi. Welcome to another one. We all know Miano is one of the very first Amapiano vocalists to ever get onto the Amapiano wave. Back then, when singing on Amapiano beats was still a new thing or a new movement in the streets of South Africa, Miano and his friend Kamuti and Semi T came together and they made the hit banger Ama Uba, which took over the game and made Miano one of the most certified artists in the Amapiano world. Straight up after Miano came up, he was met with the ruthlessness of the game and he experienced the ruthless side of the industry at large.
Lezo Ngoma, it's very big, guys, but I've never even gotten a cent from it. I've never even gotten 1 rand from Lezo Ngoma Lezo.
Like many other artists before him, Miano was taken advantage of financially by probably his record label or the people he was working with. If he wasn't under a record label,
we writed the Universal House. It's me and Abandona Barungu. I have 3 Abandona Barungu. Is it blue, blonde, or red? Who's Rongo?
I know one. I know one.
Okay. Like if you want to go down into it, it's like I want to understand like who's on the vocal side, who's on the.
Okay.
Who's on the like you can talk.
Yeah, the vocalist it's me, Miano, and Kamuti. The producer it's Semiti.
So uwe uthi abantwana barongo.
Yeah, abantwana barongo.
people say Miano fell off when Amapiano took off, but according to me, I don't really think Bro fell off, because he's your all-around good guy. You feel me? He's still in the streets. He's helping people. You feel me? Bro is volunteering in some feeding the homeless, feeding the poor type shit. You feel me? In the streets, as you can see on this picture, Bro is cooking there with his nigga. You feel me? So I don't really think Bro fell off. He's still young, and you feel me? He has potential, as we all know it. Everyone knows what he actually does has our actual potential to do what's right. You feel me? It's just that the industry is evil, man. This music industry is evil as fuck, man. You feel me? There are industry villains out there. So hopefully Miano will bounce back sooner than later, and he'll recover from all these vendettas and everything that people assume or what, because he really never said anything about all the allegations that he fell off, he doesn't have money. He only went to this podcast with Israel. We all know Israel. I don't know Israel's real name, but he went on a podcast with Israel where he actually explained how he was actually robbed of his belongings in the industry. So I don't know, bruh. I'm just praying for that dude comes back powerful than ever.
Industry I'm can believe. Precious the DJ.
Precious the DJ?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, Precious the DJ.
She gave you the opportunity?
Mamela, umuntu wathi mntana yithi bheka. Ngokuzwe ukhuluma lapha uqeda ukula nalo bhuti wathatha imic wakhuluma kayi1. Like you making sense.
Yeah.
Ngicela ukuthi mangena uthatha imic mina ngifake vocal. I'm going with the isigubhu kuphela.
Yeah.
You understand? Piano vele besasazi ngepiano vele ngakabi ne vocal. You understand? So yeah, kula ke vele ngithatha imic ngithola ngenza into zami, and azange ngenza into eyenza wonke umuntu. I came with the gimmicks, into ezintsha ngithola. The mode kula khona attack yazini. Yeah, ngithola unayo into le kula abantu bangibona khona from ePanyaza. Yeah, ePanyaza Soweto. Uye umuntu wanginike ichance wathi amntana. And emadoda ungaphuma uyozithengela lo champagne, ayikho umuntu ozokulisa. Ungafuni uphila impilo ongenayo. Akuseyakho lo mpilo. Ethi mina ngikhule ngiunderstand leswana thule ngayigcoka iGucci. Hayi ukuthi angikhona ukuyithenga. Hayi, ngingayiphatha imali eGucci manje. Hey, bakhona yithi, hey, kumele bahle. Nginandaba neGucci nangapha. Yabona sinabashana sinomntwana yabo. So kumele ngizicabangela ngivele ngicabangela abantu esikadeni ukuthi bazongibona, kumele ngithenge iGucci nami ngishuthe Instagram. Ayeke ngisipane le nto of the thing.
So Miano, shout out to you, bruh. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, so that whenever we drop a video you are there in time, bruh. Ngiyazibongela and ngithi thank you so much. I'm out.
Umuntu abangacabangeli ngaphathi 10 million kusasa bakubona ukukhahlela iLamborghini kayi1 buyipake bazibuza kuyenzakalani azwayo advertise ebantwini.
Realize that when you come to my studio and you put the whole song there, I own it.
That's what the law says currently. And unfortunately, the amendment bill doesn't deal with that also. Because it is what I've just talked to you about, the issue of the one who commissions it. He's got the studio, now he's like the one who commissions it. Because you are underprivileged, you don't have a studio, but you have the intellectual property.
Yeah.
Then it ends up in his ownership. What becomes his ownership into this? It's the master. Now,
Biba, biba.